What's going on? Super quick video. Automate your sales, make money online while living your life. So I put together this sales page made through Power Lead System. And I put together an email campaign using Power Lead System, which through this capture page, you're going to get access to Power Lead System. You're going to get access to Exitus Elite, where in Exitus Elite, we make instant same day commissions. We get to pick up and get paid. PayPal, Cash App, Walmart to Walmart, straight cash. You get to choose. As soon as you make a sale, the money is immediately. And there's also a call center where after you see all the presentation, if the person has questions, the company will literally answer your prospect's questions, sign them up, and send you the commission. Now, when you go through the link in the description and come to this sales page, you're gonna start receiving emails. And I use a template inside of the email campaigns that comes built inside of Power Lead System. And I found an email campaign I like. So what I did was I edited it to make it sound like more like me. And what you can do is you can use the done for you email campaigns. Then when you start getting results and you start getting, you start putting content out there, then you can go back and you can edit the email campaign, add in your results, add in, additional videos you want to put, add that into the email autoresponder campaign so it goes out. Every time, here's a little secret, every time you get a result, you can post it on Facebook. You can send an email broadcast out to your list. Then you can add that onto the end of your email broadcast. Therefore, people are constantly connecting with you, constantly seeing results. You're showing exactly what you're doing to make money online. So, very, very simple. If you don't have time to do videos or do online marketing, or do organic marketing like videos like this one, posting on Facebook, showing results, getting people asking information about it. If you don't have time to do that, one way you can do is go to Udemy. You can get traffic. Okay, find the person that you want to get traffic from. Go through and you pick the amount of clicks that you want to buy from this person and the date specified. You got some people that's been booked out. You got some people that can do it quickly. Buy traffic, run it through your automated system. And when you start getting results, like I said, you got the lead capture page, you can edit the email autoresponder. And what this page does is takes them over to information. They can see everything they need to know about Power Lead System. This is a page I personally edited. This shows the product, what Power Lead System all about. This video right here talks about building a residual income through Power Lead System. What I like about this system is once you get 3 people inside, it's free because it costs $53.97 monthly. But once you get 3 people, it's free because for every person that you get involved, it's $20 per member per month. So 3 people pays you $60. So now the system is pretty much paying for itself. So now you got a free online business. On top of getting paid $20 per member per month, we earn a 50% matching bonus. So if someone on your team decides to go hard with it, they make $1,000, you're going to make $500 monthly, right? And then we are the only company that has perpetual leverage. Watch this video. You're literally going to be blown away. If you're not, I don't know what video you just saw. Start your free trial, right? Free Ad Secrets pays $50 commissions. Lead Generation Academy pays a $45 residual income. Home Business Pro, $200. Master Traffic Institute, $500. And you can make money on sales you don't even make. Because of the way, when you see the perpetual leverage video, you're going to understand, right? One of my team bonuses is once you purchase the one-time products in the back office, Free Ad Secrets, Home Business Pro, Master Traffic Institute, what I'm personally going to do is I'm going to run traffic to your link. You give me your link with Power Lead System, I'm going to start running traffic. What I'm going to do is go through and I'll pick some of the people that I personally use that I got some good results from. Okay, you get my copy and paste swap file. You're going to get access to my one-on-one bonus training. This is where I give insights, some tips, some little information that a lot of top earners don't tell you. You're also going to get access to that. Once again, you can start your free trial. Try it out for 7 days. If you don't like it, cancel it. Find something to do work for you. But if you're like me and you see the power behind Power Lead System, branding yourself, right? Creating your own lead capture pages. Okay, there's more pages I created inside. Okay, let me show you another one. Matter of fact, let me show you the copy and paste swap file. I created this through Power Lead System. Okay, this has headlines, email swipes, social media posts, Traffic sources, proofs, right? These are the headlines. These are the email swipes. You don't know what to post one day, grab one of those, throw them in there. Traffic sources. This is one of the traffic sources I use. Here's an automated traffic source where every month you can set it up to every month on a specific day. Okay, you pay, or they charge a card and they start sending you traffic. So that's autopay. That's like a set it and forget it traffic source. Here you go through and buy the traffic. Free traffic exchange. Do you really get a lot of results from the paid traffic sources inside? You can, but you don't really get a lot of traffic from the free traffic source. But there's additional money that can be made inside. Affiliate marketing, getting paid on multiple products, right? Here's one you can use on offline. Look like real $100 bills. You put your message on the inside, you drop it, people pick it up and see your message. They visit your site. Here's payment proofs that you can use. Lead lightning sales, gold member sales, a home-based business, a home business pro sale, master traffic institute sale. These so different commissions coming through Exitus Elite that you can add into your marketing. Not saying it's yours, but just saying this is the type of income we can make us out of Exitus Elite. Put your link, do your marketing, and the share code right here. Once you enter that share code in your back office, all the pages that I created, you're going to get access to. Some email campaigns I created, you're going to get access to. I actually created a email campaign for Exitus Elite. And the edited email campaign you have access to because I actually took one of the campaigns from the back office and edited it to make it more me. So when you click on the link in the description, any email address, you're going to see exactly what I do to make sales online. Complete simplicity, automated. This video is going to run traffic to my link. When I send this video out to my list, that's going to run traffic back to the information I'm sharing. Okay. When I buy traffic, okay, I'm going to purchase traffic, I can run it to my lead capture page. So it's going to run it. And my email autoresponder does all the heavy lifting. It sorts through the people trying to find those who are interested in Power Lead System. Sort through those who's interested in Exitus Elite. If you want Power Lead System and Exitus Elite, you're going to get everything. $6 commissions in there, right? Build your residual income, instant, all the way up to $2,000 in instant standard commission. And it does all the selling for me. I focus on marketing, organic, like this video, or running traffic. That's my whole shebang. I make sure I get people to this capture page. From there, person enter their email address, the system literally takes over from there, right? Want something that's simple, get inside, see what I do, get involved with me, follow what I do and get results. My name is Uncle Petty. See you in the next video.